What is an action? In Zenphi, actions are also referred to as steps. These are the building blocks of your flow. You can chain them together to implement logic, interact with other systems like Sheets, Gmail, Slack, etc., assign tasks to users, and ultimately to automate your process. There's actions for different types of things. For example, logic, we have if conditions as we can see here to be able to decide which direction your flow takes. We have interactions with other systems. For example, this one is for Google Sheets. It will allow you to be able to add a row to your spreadsheet. We have actions that interact with other humans. For example, this one that assigns tasks to a user to approve or reject. And we also have utility tasks to be able to format dates, add and subtract numbers, etc. Last but not least, we also have an action that allows you to be able to audit and debug. This is called log to history. It can be used to be able to add messages from the output of different actions. That way you can see it easily when you run your flow. Adding an action is very simple. There's a toolbox on the left-hand side. You can either use the search bar or by category. All you have to do is select the action that you want to use and simply drag and drop it to wherever you wish to place it. If you see a red outline around your action, it means you need to configure it. So here, for example, you need a base date. And then once you indicate all of the fields that are in red, that means your action will be ready to use. You can change the name of the action by clicking in the center, and you can erase and add a different name. Now, even though Zenphi has a plethora of out-of-the-box actions, there's always room to add more. If you have a suggestion on action that you would like to see, make sure to add it in our product ideas section on our community page, which you can access at community.zenphi.com/wishlist.